Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amateam amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ehamba phambili bafethu namhlanje. Bandile Shandu, the former Orlando Pirates player bafethu umdlalo ubesethana kudedela with another group of Orlando Pirates players ubekuba nawo Sipho Mbule, abadlali abanjengobani oboMabasa, abadlali abanjengoGilberto noKim Vwidi. Yabo, he was part of that group esathanda kureleaswa. Umjida ke useyitholile eclub entsha okuyini na okuyi-Durban City FC. Omunye ke wabadlali okulindele ukuthi ke a-announce iyona i-Durban City FC ile striker lesathi edlalela inina i-Kaizer Chiefs okuMorris. But ke uBandile Shandu ngiyamjabulela kakhulu ukuthi ke useyitholile iclub right umjida okuyi-Durban City FC. Umjida is a good player but ke unokuhlushwa ama-injuries. Umjida mayasabe injury free usengathola i-game time right kuyona Durban City adlale kahle kwi-Durban City. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje bafethu, iSikhukhune United si-announcile ke uCedric Kaze as their new head coach. Yabo, njengoba bem-announcile ke namhlanje as their new head coach, umjida ke uzoya kwi-pre-season with the former Mamelodi Sundowns player and the former co-coach wanina we-Richards Bay FC uPapizo Tshwane. uPapizo Tshwane ke bafethu besesebenze kakhulu with i-Richards Bay FC kodwa ke manje uyoba i-assistant coach yaCedric Kaze, the former Kaizer Chiefs coach. So yibona njengamanje babamba izinto le kusona iSikhukhune United. Naso iSikhukhune United siloke sidedela nje abadlali abaningi, asazi kwenzakalani kweSikhukhune but ke asazi phethe Premiership ineyimanga but ke let's hope kwisizini elandelayo bazowenza kahle badlalise kahle iSikhukhune United because it seems like they want badinga nje cream of the crop. Kwezinye nje zindaba eziphumile namhlanje Pulwane sethi i-announcile ucoach omusha ukuba Yano Moloto after uphuthi Mohafe bafethu esulile esikhundleni wayojoyina Iswelele. So ubanina uBayano Moloto uyena ozoba ucoach omusha wePulwane City ba-announcile namhlanje. Remember uPapizo Tshwane uyale kwiSikhukhune, njengoba nje eyale kwiSikhukhune uRonnie Gabriel lo owasuka le ku-NFD nayo we-Richards Bay FC uyena ozoba uhead coach wanina wayo i-Richards Bay FC. Lo coach ke bafethu is a very very good coach. I've listened to him. Umjida uyalazi ibhola, so I hope njengoba nje ezoba uhead coach wayo inena i-Richards Bay FC uzokwazi ke ayisize i-Richards Bay yenze kahle na next season because i-Richards Bay bafethu isiloku izabalaza nje siloku yabuya kwi-NFD abajida ngempela ababuyeli lehlathini indlela abalwa ngayo ngakhona, yabo. So ba serious kakhulu, so I trust him ukuthi ke uzowenza umsebenzi because mengawenzi naye uzokhonjwa indlela. Baningi coach ke befika khona bekhonjwa indlela, so kumele enze sure ukuthi ke uyayibamba iqine abe ucoach alright engeke uPapizo Tshwane. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ngisakuyona nje i-Richards Bay FC kuthiwa ke isidedelile ugoalkeeper kubani na ukuSamil Magula uyena ke ugoalkeeper lobafethu ube uSithandwa Sayo inina i-Richards Bay but ke kubuya ngathi ke vele nje kwasihlukana ngendlela omunye wali. If nikhumbula kahle I did a video regarding ubafana Mthetho umjida ke wareleasewa i-Richards Bay kodwa ke kubuya ngathi ke usethole iclub entsha kule season entsha ezoqala. Kubuya ngathi ke uzodlalela inina iStellies will be his new home team. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iSikhukhune United badedeleka abadlali ababili kubani na kuRonaldo Liyena malo Daniel Cardoso ke bafethu siyamazi une-experience kakhulu, the former Kaizer Chiefs defender abajida badedeliwe. But ke okuyindida kakhulu ubani na ulo goalkeeper lo kuRonaldo Liyena. Remember kuRonaldo Liyena there were many teams akhona kwi-Betway Premiership abe linked nawo, yabo. Kuthiwa ke ukuhamba kwakhe uRonaldo Liyena uhambe ngoba iSikhukhune United sihlulekile ukuyi-renew i-contract yakhe, yabo. I-due date ye-contract yakhe ivele ya-expire bakhohlwa ukuthi ke bayi-renew. Hayi ukuthi ke bakhohliwe, mhlawumbe ke ingxoxo ayibanga right, yabo. Akabanga happy with i-contract ade offerisha yona kwase ke isi-expire kanjalo ke. Njengamanje uyi-free agent akhona ama-team akhona la ku-Betway Premiership and mengikhumbula kahle he was part of i-list yayo Orlando Pirates but ke ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa ke Orlando Pirates isidedelile ayisafuni ukuthi ke imsayine because they've signed i-contract entsha with ubanina with ulo goalkeeper lo umthetho ake usazoqhubeka abe yi-second choice yayo Orlando Pirates, not umthetho njalo ubuthelizi usazoqhubeka abe yi-second choice yayo Orlando Pirates mase kuthi ke uLiyena usengajoyina ke any club ekhona ku-Betway Premiership. There are many teams akhona ku-Betway Premiership, maybe ungambona i-resurface ku-Kaizer Chiefs, maybe ungambona i-resurface kuyona i-Sundowns. They were interested kuyona i-Sundowns before singisazi ke right now maybe ke i-Stellies I think they are in need of a new goalkeeper. There are many teams who are waye in Betway Premiership who might sign this goalkeeper. He's a very very good goalkeeper in his day. Kwesinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu iKruger United isiqinise ischeme sayo ngokusayina the experienced player ukuba na ukuwanda Mngonyama noKantleho Mohami abajita-ke they will play under iKruger United kule season ezokuza. Kwezinye izindaba iCape Town City they've signed i-defender laseBolivia ukuba na Marcelo Suarez. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile the former Steelers player ukuba na Ibrahim Japa umjita-ke bafethu he has reached personal terms with club kaSteve Barker Tanzania iSimba SC. iSimba SC, it looks like they are signing each and every player obedlala kuyona iSteelers. They are signing each and every player. What puzzles me is that this player right here umjita une-experience umjita. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi why amateam amaningi la kuBetway Premiership engamsayini lo mjita lo bafethu uyalidlala ngempela ibhola uyalazi, but-ke it looks like-ke uSteve Barker ubalanda bonke abadlali bakhe uhamba nabo uyale eTanzania. Let's hope uzokwazi-ke ukuthi-ke akhande i-super team le eTanzania. Yabo it looks like izinto azenza khona i-team iyayithanda. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ngisasona nje iSteelers-ke bafethu kuthiwa-ke sizosayina uHappy Mashiyane as their new player. Mase ukuthi-ke umdlali weGolden Arrows uIsaac Sise umjita-ke kuboya ngathi-ke uzojoyina iclub yaseBelgium okuyiRoyal Charleroi SC. Umjita currently ujima nayo iArrows kodwa-ke utrainer separately ujima nje yedwa, but-ke usakuyona i-contract usa-under yona iGolden Arrows. Kusele nje ukuthi-ke asayine singiyesazi-ke anything can happen siyalazi ibhola. Ufuna iclub yaseBelgium kodwa he's still part of iArrows. Umjita looks like he's forcing a move out. Kwezinye izindaba iOrlando Pirates bafethu kungenzeka imdedele ubani na uRasebocha njengoba nje sekusele unyaka owodwa kwicontract yakhe. Umjita ngese ngabamdedele kwi-loan or bamdedele bamdayise, and i-team interested yini na iswelele-ke bafethu siyasazi umjita wezidlalela vele before kusayile club le iSuperSport, so we might see him umjita ehamba kulona leli windi leli. Umjita he has been struggling a lot with ama-injury left and right, but-ke I hope umjita uzokwazi-ke ayithole i-move because umjita kade afika kwi-Pirates. Yabo I think i-game time ayitholanga, I think usekadlala kabili for i-Pirates, and it stresses me a lot ukubona umdlalo we-Pirates ungayitholi i-game time kanje. Yabo Cassius Mayilula bafethu umjita we-free agent after being released by Toronto United. Toronto-ke bafethu umjita imdedelile, so ama-team akhona kuBetway Premiership kumele enze sure ukuthi-ke I am approacher umjita because he is currently free, and umjita uyi-striker right kakhulu. Udinga nje ucoach oright ozokwazi-ke amfake kulo mshini ukuthi-ke kusha amagoli. Yabo bangamdlalisi far wide, bamdlalise nje up top. Ngifana lo mdlalo lo weKaizer Chiefs uDuba wafethu udinga i-service. Once anikeza uDuba i-service uzokunikeza amagoli. He's a very very good player this guy, so let's hope akhona ama-team